Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. Yes, guys. So, can tell listener, guys, if you have any outstanding tickets for the government, or that is best, we pay them because police them out of road now ramp. Police them out of road. They're not playing. And I can tell you this. I actually have a video wearing, I want to share with you guys, wearing this elderly man was actually held by the police because of tickets, which is actually being locked up for outstanding tickets. Yeah, man. So, more can I want to share the video with you guys. Yeah, man. So, you have to just remember that rules and regulation, and for you to obey rules and regulation where the government is concerned, as a taxi man, just do the right thing. You know, just pay your outstanding tickets and also, well, yeah, you're good like that. Yeah, man. So I kind of just play the clip, peeps, and we just kind of just talk about it, you know? Yeah, man. So as I say, he's a elderly man, and it kind of sad for know, say, well, as a taxi man, you know, as a elderly man, not the thing. I them thing I really kind of really reach him, but, yeah, man, you have to just obey the law and do the right thing, you know? Yeah, man. All right, so kind of just run it.
You still have
You're the
100, or
bumbo,
let's say you
yeah.
play 100 or 120 of them, you still have 40 leaving. So 160, when you're driving until now, you have received 160 tickets in total. And yes, 250,000 maybe from
whole heap of money that's in a traffic ticket.
You 100 tickets or 20 tickets, you still have 40 outstanding. So just a matter of time before those 40 become warrant. So now listen up. Now when I stop you today, you have expressed to the police, yes, you went there and you clear up somebody here. Yes,
Old man, you know.
there's almost 3 for you. Now here is your vehicle, it will be taken you to the Ellis Road location where you can have all the words dealt with. And you can express to them the one you are cleared and they'll express the one that are not cleared. Now here's your transportation. Kindly just step inside this motor. You'll be transported to the Ellis Road. Here's your transportation. Kindly step inside.
Welcome to Jamaica.
You'll be transported to the location.
You might get free ride by Elliston Road. Don't run. Don't run, else you get one shot. Don't run. Welcome to Jamaica. Harsh reality of Jamaica.
All those pyramids.
Police state, you know. Yeah, police state, jail. Yeah, man, it is best to pay your tickets, guys. Yeah, man. But in the video still, I kind of glad say, um, they never hang him a certain kind of way still, which he actually did comply still. The video of actually, you know, see, but $200,000 out of ticket. So it go for sure you say, a long time daddy, I do him thing. Yeah, man. And that man in the know, daddy luck run out. So it is not good to have all of these outstanding tickets, in a year name, because remember now guys, based on the new system of the government, all the police have to do I just run the license plate number in. Yeah, man. That's all them have to do, just run the license plate number. And once when I run the this number, everything will come up in the system. Yeah, man. So yeah, so we just know say you get rid of them thing there. Yeah, man. But just glad say he actually did comply and they never did, you know. Then they handle him up a certain kind of way because guys with tell you honest truth still know him. Sometimes I see some videos how the Jamaican police them really handle civilians. You'll surprised you know say a human being they really are deal with. But then they are the right way still, because the police actually tell him, explain to him, um, that read out the number of tickets, outstanding tickets, and the cost to it. So we understand that. Yeah, man, but it's not a good look still, because it's one side is a motorist. A ticket is a must, because you can actually get a simple ticket like a seatbelt ticket, a simple speeding, right? Or even your command phone. There are so much things a police can actually charge you for. And sometimes persons actually take these things for granted. Because you say, well, I just want like a seatbelt ticket, you know. I just want like a speeding ticket. But at the end of the day, it all adds up to something. You tell me now, you can just imagine getting 40, 50 or 60 tickets from a police, right? For a reason. But as me I say still, hey, you have to take bad things by last still don't know peeps. Yeah man, a long time I doing thing man. And him decide say well him not pay none. Him just a go through but yeah man, that a man in there man daddy. You look run out the man in there daddy. Yeah man, you look run out the man in there man. Jano. Anyway guys, yeah man, just sharing the video, based on what is actually going on. Because these things are actually happen like every day or every other day. You have to just be mindful when being out there, you know. Well, sometimes you try to avoid that thing and it just reach you. But for kind of avoid, problem with the law them kind of way, they have to just know so well, yeah, do the right thing. Yeah, man, pay your tickets, you know, avoid problem with the government. Cause to me, it's a form of embarrassment as well. I mean, if anybody look on it like how me actually look at it, it's a form of embarrassment. Yeah, man. If you know, say a man actually, you know, get locked up because a ticket. And I can tell this is when they get locked up for a ticket, guys. Remember, based on the outcome of it, because you have to go to court and all that something. And you have to go to jail or something. So, you see what me I talk about? Them things me I talk about. Because right now, they all go to go spend all, maybe all 1 night or two or couple of days. Well, if you can pay that sum of money, which, because if you run from government, because you have outstanding tickets, that means that you don't really have money like that. And on top of it, enough of these people, them not drive for themselves. Them a drive for people. So where I'm going with this? Yeah, man. So let's do the right thing, guys. Yeah, man. Anyway, if you actually make it this far in the video, yeah, man, just give her thanks. Yeah, man. Remember to like, share, comment, tell a friend, guys. Yeah, man. Show some support, man. Yeah, man. Anyway, guys, just bless up yourself until the next video. Yeah, man. One Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, I'm out. Yeah, man. Blessings.